What's hot in the Kitsilano single-family market for February 2020? The Vancouver West Side single-family market continues to favor buyers. Unlike the rest of the West Side single-family market, Kitsilano is actually favoring sellers. That's right, we're in a seller's market in Kitsilano. 35% of the homes that were listed and on the market in Kitsilano actually sold last month. That works out to 6 homes that sold out of 17 that were available and on the market. Let's start with the most expensive home that sold. This one sold for $6.3 million. And this would have bought you a 105-year-old home, but it was located in Kitts Point. That's one of my favorite neighborhoods in Kitsilano, Kitsilano Point. And this was a beautiful property that sold for actually over the asking price. And what's interesting about this property is it was listed on the market for more than a year. So that tells me that once you get a home priced accurately, even if it's a very expensive home, they can still sell for over the asking price. The least expensive home sold for $2.2 million, and this would have bought you, again, a very, very old home, a triplex on 10th Avenue. With 17 homes available in Kitsilano on the market and 6 of them selling, again, this puts us into a seller's market with 35% of the homes sold. And remember that the real estate board defines a seller's market when anything over 21% of the homes sell in a given month. Sold values in Kitsilano are at a median price of around $2.5 million. And when you look at the rest of the Vancouver West Side detached single-family market, the median price right now is around $3.2 million. So about a $700,000 difference between the value of a Kitsilano home when compared to the rest of the Vancouver West Side single-family market. If you'd like to take a look at these 6 homes that sold in Kitsilano last month, I've got them all laid out on an area map. I've got the sold price versus the list price. I've got 10 photographs for each of these 6 properties that sold, and you can download that package of information by clicking on the link above or below, depending on whether you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. My name is David Setton with Oakwyn Realty and Answers in Real Estate, and I specialize in selling and marketing homes in the Vancouver West Side. And if you'd like to reach me, you can contact me anytime at 604-808-9796. And as always, thank you so much for listening today.